Today's SAT question of the day is: a line in the xy plane has a slope of 9 and passes through the point 0, -5. The equation y equals px plus r defines the line where p and r are constants. What is the value of p? We're dealing with a line, so I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this y equals px plus r as our normal slope-intercept equation, which is y equals mx plus b, right? They're just letters, so you can change them if you want, which is what they did here. But I'm going to change them back to what we're used to. And it says it has a slope of 9, so that is this value here. That would be 9, because m stands for slope, okay? And they want to know the value of p. So this used to be p, and since I'm replacing that with a 9, then the value of p is 9. That's it. I didn't even need to know that it passes through the point 0, -5, but if I would have needed to find r, which r would be the y-intercept, I would need this information in order to find r. I wonder, should I help you figure that out right now? Yeah, this is a good time to kind of like just go over that. So using that point, I would be able to figure out r because I would just go ahead and replace that point in the equation. So notice every point has an x coordinate and a y coordinate. So we have 0 for x and -5 for y. And then notice in our equation here, we have an x and a y. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this now. So it'll be -5 is equal to 9 times 0 plus b. And remember, b is r, okay? Because we just changed the letters. Well, you know what? Since I know that b is r, I'll just go ahead and put it now. I'll put it back. So I'm just going to keep going here. -5 equals, and 9 times 0 would just be 0 plus r. And then 0 plus r would just be r. So -5 is equal to r. 0, -5 is a y-intercept. Since the x coordinate is 0, this is a y-intercept. And since b stands for y-intercept, then that's -5. If you need help with math, book a session with me online or in person at fieldingalgebraic.com.